Hi everyone, I am Anchisa from Ling Up. Today I will be teaching you another Thai lesson in the topic of Thai tone. Thai tone is very important for the Thai learners to learn because it will tell you how exactly to pronounce that word. Because if you pronounce it wrong, even a little bit, the meaning of it will be completely wrong. And there are 5 Thai tones, which is low, mid, high, rising, and falling. I will explain you further in detail. As I told you, Thai tone is very important to learn because every Thai word has particular mandatory tone. And for you to understand the words correctly by the tone of it, and when you understand it, you will be able to speak it like a native. Okay, there are 3 main rules for Thai tone, which is tone marks, consonant class, leaf and dead Thai syllables. I know it sounds a little bit hard and complicated, but after you learn the lesson, you will get more understand for sure. Let's start with the first one is the tone marks. As you can see in the screen, these are the tone marks, which are ไม้เอกไม้โท ไม้ตรี ไม้จัตวา which will tell you that word will be in the low, mid, high, falling or rising tone. For example, do you see? It is the same word but put the tone mark on it and it will be completely different meaning. For example, ปา ป่า ป้า ป๋า ป๋า See, for example, this one, ป่า mean forest, but if you get a little bit higher, ป้า is returned to auntie, or ป๋า this will turn to father. So be careful when you have when you see the tone mark. So be careful when you pronounce it. Next are กา กา ก้า กา กา And next will be Thai tone comparings, where I tell you like how missing tone are turned into different meaning. This one, เสือ เสือ เสื้อ There will be a little bit of the different when pronounced, which is the tone, right? But there will be completely different meaning. เสือ tiger, เสื้อ mat, เสื้อ shirt, ขาว ข่าว ข้าว ขาว white, ข่าว news, ข้าว rice. So be careful when you pronounce it. เขา เข่า เข้า เขา is he or she, เข่า knee, เข้า enter. This could be another conflict. The before the previous one is cow, right? And this one is cow. It sound almost the same, but the difference of it, cow will be a little bit longer and it means rice. But cow, it will be the same tone, but it will be shorter, which means enter. So be careful between cow and cow. Next rule are consonant classes. Thai have 44 alphabet and consonant group it into 3 different classes. I have teach it before in the previous video very detail, so you can have a look at it, so it will make you more understanding. But I will give you a little bit of an example. 3 classes of consonant are low, mid, high. It's based on how do you pronounce that. For example, คอ 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 งอ You see, when you pronounce it, the sound of it a little bit low. And for this, กอ จอ ดอ ตอ it will be like neutral. And for high, it will be ขอ ขอ ฉอ ถอ Yeah, that how the consonants work. And these are quite important, as I teach you before with cow and cow, right? It's also related with the rule, which is leaf and dead Thai syllables. Uh, Thai syllable can be split into two groups, which is kam-bpen or kam-dtaai. Kam-bpen is leaf, kam-dtaai is dead. Leaf syllable, Thai leaf syllable ends with a long vowel like cow, you know. And oh, sorry. Here is the example of leaf syllable. Ngan, task.ง่าย easy. งู snake. มือ hands. ตา eyes. สวย beautiful. You can see the words when you pronounce it, it will be like a little bit long, like ngan, something like this. It's not going to be ngan. If you say ngan, so that will be completely no meanings. Mhm. And next are days syllables. Days syllables ends with a short vowel and ending with consonant making P, T, or K. These mean like sound like P, T, or K, not an English word. Here are the example. รัก love. แพะ goat. แกะ sheep. กะทิ coconut milk. เลือด blood. ปาก mouth. As you can see, right? Here we รัก K or like ปาก K เลือด T, and they will sound like very short. It's not going to be รัก or แพ้ it will be like รัก แพะ แกะ. Yes. And that is all for today. I hope you guys are enjoy learning with me. And if you have any questions, please comment below, and I will try to understand. I will try to answer it all. And before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next week. Bye bye.